Let me show you how to make a copy of any Google Sheet publicly available on the web, in as much as the author of the Google Sheet has allowed for to anyone to make a copy. This is how to do it. So you can see here that this is publicly available on the web, and the author of this document, Learn Act, the Skill Gap Analysis template, has allowed people to actually make a copy of it. So this is what you do. You go ahead to this tab here called File and click on it. Once that is clicked, you will see Make a Copy. You want to go ahead to click on that Make a Copy. Once that is done, it's going to tell you how you ask you how you want to name it. You can decide to do a copy of Learn Act Skill Gap Analysis template or name it as you want. I'll leave it as it is. And in your own Google Drive, it can ask you where you want to put it. So one of the things that I also want to highlight is that you can decide to share that your own template with people or leave it. So I'd always recommend that you keep it personal in as much as it's a personal thing to you, depending on if you want to share with other people. So you go ahead to click make a copy. Once that is done, you see that it creates a copy of that Google Sheet template. So now this is a copy that you can use for yourself and edit as you like. And you can see here that this sheet here is only available for you. No one can access it, and you can use it. If you decide to share with other people, you can click here to change the sharing settings, either to anyone with the link, or you can restrict it from people having, the access to this document, or you can actually just add people basically. So this is how to make a copy of any Google Sheet. Thank you.